Take a ride in the 2023 RX. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, heads-up display, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, first aid kit, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.